Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we'll guide you through the process of scheduling an automatic shutdown in Windows 10 and 11. This is a great feature if you're power conscious and prefer to shut down rather than sleep. Let's dive in. First up is the auto shutdown via run command. Step 1. Open the run dialog box. You can either access it from the start menu or just press the Window plus R keys. Step 2. Type in shutdown ST, number and seconds, then hit enter. For instance, if you want your computer to shut down after 10 minutes, type shutdown ST600. Here, 600 represents the number of seconds, which is 10 minutes. Once you're done with this, the system will notify you about the scheduled auto shutdown time. The second method is to use the task scheduler. Step 1. Open the start menu, search for task scheduler, and press enter to open it. I typed in task scheduler and then click to open it. Step 2. Click on the create basic task option. Step 4. Choose when you would like your task to start and click next. Step 5. Set the start date and time for the task and click next. Step 6. Select the Start a Program option from a list of actions, then click Next. Step 7. Click on the Browse button and choose Shutdown.exe from C, Windows System 32. Step 8. You will have to enter --SS the argument, then click Next. Step 9. Finally, click the Finish button to wrap up the task. Great. Your system will now automatically shut down at the scheduled time. But what if you want your computer to shut down when it's idle? Well, we have you covered. Step 1. Open Task Scheduler and select your existing shutdown task. Step 2. Right-click on the task and choose Properties. Step 3. Navigate to the Conditions tab in the Properties window. Step 4. Tick the option that says Start the task only if the computer is idle, and put the idle time duration in the time field. Enter the same value for both the first and second entries. The task scheduler will wait for your system to be idle for this period before triggering the shutdown task. That's it. You've now set your Windows 10 or 11 system to shut down automatically when idle. By the way, to turn off the automatic shutdown task you created, right-click Shutdown and select Disable. To delete it, click Delete. If you scheduled an automatic shutdown by pressing the Windows logo plus R keys to open the Run window and typing the shutdown command, you can cancel it by typing and running Shutdown A. This command is also useful to memorize. And that's all for today's video. We hope you found these techniques helpful. Whether you prefer using the Run command or task scheduler, you can ensure your computer shuts down on time and conserving energy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like.